Hey, good evening everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is kiodiekin, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get your RGB lights on your HyperX Quadcast S USB microphone quickly set up. This shouldn't take any more than 5 minutes, and unfortunately I don't believe the instructions are in the box, and it was pretty much straightforward, but we will go ahead and take care of that for you tonight. So let's go ahead and jump right on into it. Alright, so this is the HyperX Quadcast S microphone, and today we're going to go ahead and show you how to set up or sync your RGB lights. Now, unfortunately, the instructions really weren't in the box. You can actually read about it on the website. So the first thing we want to do is go to the HyperX.com website. You can either do a quick Google search on this, and then you can actually pull up your model number by searching for microphones. Now there's only 2 of them here, so as far as the HyperX S USB microphone, then you have the regular one over here. This one doesn't change the microphones, you guys don't have to worry about that. So first thing we're gonna do is scroll all the way down to the bottom, and the software, just to show you guys on the website, it does mention it, but however there are really no links anywhere here on the main page. So the first thing you want to do is scroll down all the way to the bottom, and you want to click on this link here that says Ingenuity Software. Once we go here, you're going to go down to download for Windows, and this will open up in another browser and take you to the Microsoft App Store. So it says Get In-Store App, and then once you guys go ahead and get that installed, it will appear over here on the left, and as you can see, mine says HyperX Ingenuity Software. So let's go ahead and open it up. Now the first thing that it's going to do is going to download and show you with the latest firmware version that you need for your microphone. So once you have that already done, it'll detect it. It only takes a minute or two in order to get your firmware updated. So once that's already done, you're going to go ahead and click on the microphone. And then of course you have additional settings that are in here. Now currently mine is on the omnidirectional setting, so let me go ahead and change that. I'm going to move it over here to stereo, as you can see, and it changed directly right here on the screen without me having to actually select it. Now the cool thing is I am using this microphone to record right now, so if you do like the sound quality, you're welcome. It's a really cool microphone. I've had it now for a couple of days. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we are going to go over to Light Sync. And before I get into this, just definitely wanted to say I did look to see if this could be compatible with Aurora Sync. I have a number of my RGB lights already working on my computer, and they follow the same thing, along with my NVIDIA RTX 3080. But unfortunately, I didn't see anything that would allow me to change the setting or sync it with my Aurora Sync. Alright, so you have a number of options here. Everything's pretty much straightforward. You could go with a solid, and then of course pick the color that you want based upon the spectrum that you want to use. You guys can see the bottom right, the colors are changing depending upon the diagram. And then of course you can manually select the colors. You can go to breathing, and then of course it will breathe based upon the color you selected. You could go to cycle, confetti, and the confetti setting I believe is the defaulted setting for which this microphone is already pre-programmed for once you take it out of the box. And the next thing we can click on is sun, so you get a sun setting, and then of course you can adjust the speed of it, make it slower, or you can make it faster. Alright, now the last setting we're going to take a look at is the twilight setting. This one's also pretty cool too. You have a different number of colors you can also select and kind of go through along with the spectrum. And the good thing is everything is staying in sync. So what you see on the app is what you also see here on the microphone as well. Then of course we can adjust the speed of it as well. So let's go ahead and change the speed. And we'll make it very fast. And then once you're all said and done, you just select the color that you want, the setting that you want, and you can pretty much close it out. But again, guys, thank you guys for watching. This is kiodiekin. Like and subscribe. I do have some other video tutorials that I will be uploading fairly shortly. But again, this one was probably one of the quickest ones where I could just kind of jump in here. It is pretty much straightforward. It is straightforward after you get the software, you jump straight into it. But unfortunately, they didn't seem to make it really easy for you once you got a brand new product. But don't worry, I have you guys covered, and I will catch you guys next time. And again, if you like the recording of this video, this was all this microphone. I really love it. I've only had it a few days. But I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out. Bye-bye. See you next time.